Why are there not more people talking about how to skyrocket your YouTube channel in 2025? Let's fix that. First things first, be consistent. Uploading regularly keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Next, make eye-catching thumbnails. They are the first thing people see. Use bright colors and clear text to stand out. Don't forget about your video titles. They need to be catchy and include keywords people are searching for. And hey, make sure your content adds value. Teach something new, entertain, or inspire your viewers. Engagement is key. Reply to comments and ask questions to build a community. And finally, promote your videos on social media to reach a wider audience. Ready to take your channel to the next level. Hit that subscribe button and let's grow together.